Hey everyone, I'm Melanie Leonard from Streamline Legal, where we help law firms build systems to get more out of the practice management software that they're already paying for. So not surprisingly, we talk a lot about systems here at Streamline Legal, and it surprises me sometimes how many attorneys don't appreciate the risk that they're taking if in fact they don't have written systems or documented systems in their firm. And so let me describe how it typically happens, and you can tell me if this sounds familiar in your firm. So the first thing is that typically an attorney will have a trusted paralegal or trusted legal assistant or someone who has been very instrumental in helping them to create the default processes that they're using in their firm. The problem is that all of this information, whether it's a paralegal or a legal assistant or an associate attorney, frankly, all of this information is stuck in their head. And so very little, if any of it, is documented anywhere. And what that does is that creates a problem for the law firm owner, because the risk is that if that person is unable to work for any reason, and honestly, typically it's a very it's not like they're doing this on purpose, right? So we're talking about, a medical emergency. We're talking about a vacation so that they don't get burnt out. We're talking about all kinds of reasons why they may not be able to be in the office and helping your firm grow. And the problem is that all of these systems that they may have created by default and have stored in their head, you no longer have access to. And so you cannot hire another person to now take on this system and to start running this system and to keep your law firm running. So essentially, you're now being held hostage by the employees that have done such a great job in getting your firm to where it is. So it is ultra critical as a law firm owner that you're getting these systems documented, whether it's on paper or in a practice management software. Wherever you're going to document these systems, we need to have them documented so that we're no longer held hostage by these employees. And again, I don't mean to imply that they would be doing this on purpose, but medical emergencies do happen. No one is expecting them. That's why they're considered emergencies. But we do need to plan for them in case they do happen, because the last thing you want is to be broken up about the fact that your paralegal was in a car accident and now have to focus on keeping the business alive. So please do take a look at your own systems, figure out what you have documented, what you don't have documented, and make sure that you start documenting those systems, getting them out of your employee's head and onto paper or onto technology so that we can keep using them if that employee is no longer able to be with us. So thanks so much for tuning in, and talk to you soon.